second part second part of the second chapter. Okay, in this video I'll talk about the numerical part. हामीले सोध्न सक्ने भनेको न्युमेरिकल एउटा यस्तो हुन सक्छ, इफ द एपरेन्ट म्याग्निट्युड अफ बाइनरी स्टार कम्पोनेन्ट आर 1 and 2 फाइन्ड द टोटल म्याग्निट्युड भनेर. सो m1 को भ्यालु कति दिएको छ? 1. m2 को भ्यालु कति दिएको छ? That is given as 2. Okay, so how can I find the total magnitude? Total magnitude कसरी पत्ता लगाउन सक्छौं? So in this case, in this scenario, first I'll write the formula, which is m1 minus m2 is equal to minus 2.5 logarithm scale then b1 by b2. Okay, I can replace the b1 by b2 by the flux density f1 by f2. Okay, so in this scenario I'll take a reference star whose magnitude is 0, that is m is 0. Okay, so I'll take this reference star and I'll solve this problem. So for the first, okay, so for first star whose magnitude is, what is the magnitude of the first star? That is 1. Okay, so for 1 whose magnitude is 1, so m1 minus m is equal to minus 2.5 log. Okay, so let me write it as f1 by f naught. Okay, so what is the m को value कति मानेको छु? This is 0 and this is 1. 1 is equal to minus 2.5, that is logarithm f1 by f naught. Okay, now I can write this as, यसको भ्यालु इन्टिट कति हुन्छ त? 1 by 2.5 भनेको कति हो? 0.40 होला समथिङ, र f1 is equal to यो f naught अनि यो 10 to the power कति आउँछ? minus 0.40 है, सिम्पल अल्जेब्रा हो. सिमिलरली सेकेन्ड केसको लागि, यो सेकेन्ड स्टारको लागि चाहिँ जसको म्याग्निट्युड 2 छ, 2 minus 0 is equal to minus 2.5 log f2 by f naught. सिमिलरली यसको भ्यालु कति आउँछ? f2 is equal to f naught into 10 to the power कति हुन्छ यसको चाहिँ? 0.80. now total flux कति हुने भयो? total f is equal to, that is indeed f1 plus f2. यो दुईटामा के छ? f naught कमन छ, भित्र के बच्यो? एउटा चाहिँ 10 to the power minus 0.40 र यसबाट 0. This is the total flux. Now if I want to calculate the magnitude, then the magnitude of the star will be 2.5 log, this is the total magnitude. Okay, log, this is f1 by f2. अब f1 को भ्यालु राख्ने, f2 को भ्यालु राख्ने, f naught के हुन्छ? काटिन्छ हैन. that is, oh, this is the total, that is the total f. Okay, so it is the total f, so this is the total f, that is given by 10 to the power minus 0.4 plus 10 to the power minus 0.8 अपन f2 अथवा f1 तपाईले जे राख्दा पनि हुन्छ है. सो f2 चाहिँ त के हुन्छ? f2 is indeed f naught. so यो त रेफरेन्स स्टार हो हैन. so f naught काटियो and then I can simply calculate the value, जसको भ्यालु चाहिँ कति आउँछ? 0.64 आउँछ. okay, so this is how it can be done. okay, so now next, अब मैले यसमा के द मेन प्रिन्सिपल चाहिँ यसमा तीनटै केसमा, m1 को केसमा, m2 को केसमा र फाइनली टोटल म्याग्निट्युड को केसमा पनि के लिने? एउटा रेफरेन्स स्टार लिने जसको म्याग्निट्युड कति हुन्छ? 0 हुन्छ. ओके, सो यसमा पनि त्यही गरेको. यसमा एज अ होल दुईटै बाइनरी स्टारलाई एउटै सिस्टम माने र एउटा रेफरेन्स स्टार लगे. सो यसको भ्यालु के हो? यसको टोटल m माइनस यसको त 0 छ 0 सो दिस इज m अनि यसको भनेको फ्लक्स f हुने भयो विच इज f1 प्लस f2 मैले पछि लेटर अन गर्छु र यसको चाहिँ f2 हुने भयो f नट भनौँ न f नट हुने भयो ओके दिस इज हाउ इट क्यान बी डन र यसमा सेकेन्ड क्वेसन कस्तो सोध्न सक्छ भनेपछि ओके सो the absolute magnitude of a star in Andromeda galaxy चाहिँ distance दिएको छ is 5 okay this is the absolute magnitude it explode as a supernova becoming 1 billion times brighter what is the apparent and the absolute magnitude so in this case we'll try with the two case the case first where before the explosion occur okay so before the explosion what was the absolute magnitude it is 5 in this it is 5 and how many times it is brighter it explode it is a later part okay so distance is given 690 kilopascal so now I can calculate the formula that is given by 5 log r minus 5 since no extension or no any other necessary information is given so I can only use the absolute magnitude formula okay so no need to use the extension formula okay so m is I'm seeking to find that is m that is 5 the distance is given by 690 pascal which is 690 into 10 to the power 3 pascal minus 5 so if I calculate it will give me the m को भ्यालु मलाई यसले कति दिन्छ it will give me some around यो तपाईले अब क्याल्कुलेटरमा गर्नु होला ओके it will give me I think something around 29.2 okay so this is the apparent magnitude so absolute magnitude was this then the apparent magnitude come this so after now the case second okay second case that is after the explosion after explosion के भनेको छ it becomes 1 billion times brighter so consider that before explosion if the brightness was b1 then okay so before the collision the brightness was b2 then the b1 is now 10 to the power 9 b2 okay so then b1 by b2 is equal to 10 to the power 9 okay now using the same formula that is m1 minus m2 m2 was just recalculate mo okay so we'll substitute here and it is minus 2.5 logarithm scale b1 by b2 okay now m1 is I'm looking to find out that I'll just write m2 भनेको मैले कति पाएको छु 29.2 that is 2.5 log b1 by b को ठाउँमा मैले के लेख्न सक्छु 10 to the power 9 so सबै गरे भने I will get the value m कति पाउँछु मैले I will get the value 6.7 okay now I can calculate the absolute magnitude how can I calculate the absolute m minus m is equal to 5 log r minus 5 यो जुन apparent magnitude यो के हो after the explosion हो यो मैले यहाँ substitute गर्छु already यो सबै थाहा छ then I'll get this value okay so this is how this numerical can be deal with now there is a third type of numerical which is the extension is given okay so here the extension is also given the absolute and the apparent magnitude is minus 2 and a the extension is 2 so here we will use the extension formula which is minus similar to the absolute magnitude formula just we will have the extra term of extension that is plus indeed it is a r okay our initially in initial condition I'll consider that there is no extension that is a is equal to 0 now if I consider that then I will get m minus m is equal plus 5 is equal to 5 log r and then r will be equal to m minus m कति छ this is 8 minus 1 that is 8 minus and then minus 2 भनेको 10 हुने भयो that is plus 5 15 and log उता गयो भने 10 to the power no 15 and then divide by 5 this is 15 and this divide by 5 that will be 3 and log उता गयो भने 10 to the power 3. So our initial radius is or the distance is 80. Okay, so using this initial radius I will calculate the other radius. Now I will consider is equal to 5 log r minus 5 plus a r. अब यो r को ठाउँमा मैले के लेख्छु जुन इनिशियली मैले यहाँबाट निकालेको रेडियस जुन जति छ त्यो म यहाँ सब्स्टिट्युट गर्छु. Okay, so it will always be 10 is equal to that will be 5 यता जाँदा 15. Okay, 15 is equal to 5 log r plus 10 to the power 3 into मलाई एक्सटेन्सन कति दिएको छ it will be given by 3 megapixel. So 3 अब यो यता जान्छ. Okay, and then I'll divide the whole thing by 5, that is 15 minus 3 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 5. अब यहाँबाट एउटा r को भ्यालु आउँछ. ओके, अब यो फेरि मैले a फर्मुला युज गर्छु. ओके, अब यो r को ठाउँमा यहाँबाट जुन भ्यालु आउँछ द नयाँ भ्यालु जति आउँछ त्यो यहाँ राख्छु. फेरि मैले नयाँ r पत्ता लगाउँछु, द्याट विल बी r2. फेरि सेम फर्मुला युज गर्छु, यो r2 कता राख्छु यहाँ राख्छु. ओके, r2 यहाँ राखेपछि फेरि यो मैले नयाँ r पत्ता लगाउँछु, द्याट विल बी r3. यो जति बेला कति बेलासम्म रिपिट गर्छु जति बेला चाहिँ आई डोन्ट गेट द कन्स्ट्यान्ट भ्यालु, r को भ्यालु चाहिँ चेन्ज हुनु भएन. जस्तै मैले r3 निकालेँ, r4 निकालेँ, r5 र r6 चाहिँ एउटै आयो र r7 पनि एउटै आयो भने देन द्याट इज आवर the distance formula, that is our distance, required distance. So I hope you guys got what I'm trying to teach. Okay, so if there is any confusion, comment section ma likh dinu hola. Okay, so I'll be more than happy to assist you guys. Okay, so thank you for your time.